welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be already based on Valentine's Day, inspired by Valentine's Day. So hopefully I'll do a few Valentine's makeup ideas for you guys, but this first one is more of a romantic, girly, neutral, using a lot of light pink colors. And at the end of the video, I'll show you different look options as well. This makeup will definitely go with most outfit colors, like the burgundy I'm wearing, black, white, pinks, red. So I really hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get to it. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna prep my skin with my La Mer Grwm because I want really dewy, beautiful, hydrated skin, and I learned how to use this with makeup artists that do my glam when I go to red carpets. So it's definitely like a red carpet go-to base for your makeup. So I like to warm it up in my hand and then I just dab it on my face. It makes your foundation sit so well on your face. Patrick Ta loves it. Mary Phillips, the best like celebrity makeup artist, uses it, and I got addicted as well. Okay, so today I'm gonna use a very lightweight foundation, which is Vita Lumiere from Chanel. And I will mix it with my Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation. A little bit only of this because it's slightly heavier finish than this, but both are very natural. So with my finger. Basically everywhere, and then I would take my Shiseido and apply on my lower chin, center forehead, and inside here. Beauty blender, and just blend this all in. And both foundations are very luminous, especially the Chanel one. So we will apply powder today, but this is the base. And then I'm gonna take concealer. From NARS, my color is custard. We'll apply it all around the eye area, make sure we brighten. I have done my brows, so I'm just gonna brush them. And now before we move on to eyes, I'm gonna powder because it's very luminous and very lightweight on, very thin texture. So the powder as well that I'm using, it's the Fenty one, it's very thin, so you won't be cakey, you know? I don't usually like powder all over my face, depending on the foundation that I'm using, but today we're gonna go for it. So I'm gonna bake here the eye area. We'll also apply it here. And a little, the rest like on the sponge on the forehead. I love this powder because it's not white, it's like a banana color. It's called banana. Look how good it looks. It's like a filter, you know, once you put the powder on. And now I'm gonna start eyes. I'm gonna take my Dior palette. This is the 001 Warm Neutrals. And I'm gonna take the primer in here and with my finger just blend it all over my eyelid. And then I'm gonna take this neutral shadow matte finish here and also blend it now on top of the primer. I'm gonna take the taupey brown and blend it on the outer corner of my eye just to create a little depth. We're not gonna get this too dark. I'm gonna take a more dense brush like this, same shadow, same light brown, and I'm gonna do it under the eye here, only halfway. Now I'm gonna take my Huda, what do you call these? Matte and Metal shadow. And apply it only on my inner corner, the matte one. And now I'll take a light pink shadow and put over. And I'll take the shimmer side and apply on top of it. Dark brown liner to close our eye a little bit. The tiny brush. Difícil. Now mascara. And I don't want to use false lashes, but we'll see. Now I'm gonna start my contour, and I'm gonna take my Hoola bronzer. Mama from the Balm, which is a little darker. I don't want to use my Givenchy one today because it's warmer and I want to use cooler tones on this makeup. Blush, I'm gonna use the Frat Boy from the Balm as well. It's a beautiful little pink color. And now highlighter, a little bit on the tip of my nose. I'm using the Laura Mercier. I'm addicted to this one. I put a little bit on the brush, take the excess out. And bam. And how pretty is this? Highlighter, so good. Okay, now lips, I was gonna do a bright lip, but I decided it's gonna be prettier with a very nude lip. Okay, so I'm gonna use Patrick Ta's She's Proud. One thing I forgot to do is put back my little mole back to my lip. And then I'm gonna take this very old lipstick that I have. It's called Naked from Urban Decay. It's a beautiful light pink color. No. I'm gonna do Patrick Ta's. It's exactly the color that I want. She's Unapologetic. I've used this here before. It's a nude with a light pink undertone. Then it can come with a pinkish color and just dab it a little bit. So here's the finished look. Everything very light pink with brownish, very angelic makeup. And now we're gonna choose the look. One thing I do want to add is a little bit of gloss here, just in the center. Option number one, a burgundy leather dress with open back, very sexy with the slit in the front, very comfortable on, which is so important for Valentine's. I would wear my hair wild like this and big earrings. And you can wear it with pumps, with sandal. And it really goes with this pinkish, romantic, girly makeup look. So let's see look number two. Option number two is a very girly, very Valentine's dress. It is black, all rouge. It's with tulle fabric. Super comfortable. It has multicolored little tiny pearls. And it's so beautiful on. It has puffy sleeves. I mean, it's a very Valentine's dress as well. You could do big earrings or not. You could do pearl earrings. Here I put my hair up because of the big sleeves. But yeah, option number two And which one did you like the best? I can decide, you guys. Okay, so I'm in the brown leather one. I'm in a mood for a more sexier vibe, which the leather definitely brings it, and it goes perfectly with my makeup as well. So I really hope you guys liked the tutorial. Let me know if you want any more tutorials for Valentine's or any other content for Valentine's Day. What do you want to see? Do you want me to do a Valentine's Day look ideas, or do you want me to do more makeup ideas? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Mwah. Stay beautiful.